Good morning, everyone. My name is Solomon Maycock. Thank you in environment. I am Ministry of Agriculture. My teammates Ari-Anna Knowles, Agricultural Extension Officer at the Demonica Ground Science Officer at BNC. We did a mapping of the southern portion of Baldwin. This is the most commonly known farming area in Nassau. The area was posing towards the importance of Baldwin's province. Applications to drone mapping all agricultural farms will be digitized and updated. This will be followed by the creation of new maps, which will be needed as a push forward in increasing farming on farm land. On the bottom of the screen is a wallpaper map currently being used by inspectors in the mining. Inspectors can also use this technology to assist in the yearly inspections they do. They can be educated through drone mapping to give farmers the systems to use of plant mapping and other useful agricultural features. They can also be used in collecting data in situations of uncooperative disease. Mapping the area will be of good help in dealing with issues such as theft, which is a common issue plaguing the area. With the introduction of drone mapping, you can find commonly used routes of thieves. The information can be used to warn farmers or partner with local law enforcement to help better monitoring of these high traffic areas. Coal pits and dumping sites are also difficult to see by enforcers, adding to issues of pollution and illegal use of groundwater. These coal pits are usually located deep in thick bushes, clouding roads and almost thick small in the early hours of the morning. With the use of drone mapping, these sites will be quickly spotted and swiftly dealt with. This will also be helpful in dealing with issues such as family towns and illegal squatters living on farmland. These structures that would have normally not been seen until it had reached a state of almost completion can now be spotted in its early development stages and reported to the current task force dealing with these matters. The image on the top shows a picture of a spanning town taken by this drone with a large dumping site tucked away in the bushes next. Drone mapping and monitoring surveys. On the screen is a portion of the flight plans for the Calvin Wood map. They also a total of 10 flights to complete the mapping of the area, with a total flight time 2 hours and 27 minutes. Exactly 1,800 mapping pictures were taken, and 800 acres of agricultural ground land was mapped. And although mosaic resolution of 3.5 centimeters per pixel was obtained, and a 360 file was shot mistaken over the portion of the area. Here you can see the entirety of the aerial maps. The bottom left shows the on mosaic maps done a height of 120 meters. The top dot represent the picture taken. Each picture can be viewed separately, showing an aerial view of a portion of land. On the right is a well-organized coconut farm on the main page avenue. Underneath is a panel taken at 110 meters overlooking the site. Results. This is a more complete form of the digitized map. Annotations are used to represent different key points and areas along the map. Some points annotated include farm plots, dumping areas, structures, residential areas, slightly towns, businesses, and areas with pink, low-lying or swamplands. This elevation map shows the height of the terrain of the area. This will be useful as farmers choose which crop is best for their lot. Monitoring strategies and recommendations. Mapping exercises will be done for farmers to determine which crops are growing. Brownfield field surveys will be done to assess health and condition of farmers, crops, and implement data. Livestock conditions will be monitored for potential problems and to optimize field management for pastures. The site should be flown at least every 6 months to ensure effective data collection and monitoring of farm cycle. Thank you.